Trap, neuter, and return (TNR) programs should be used to combat the feral cat dilemma. TNR is used to reduce feral cat populations by providing spaying and neutering of the colony, as well as routine vaccinations and healthcare. TNR is a program to lower the feral cat population and to improve the quality of life of those cats and the environment around them. It is beneficial for both humans and animals when it comes to population control and the surrounding environment. Using the trap and kill method to get rid of a cat colony is ineffective and does not help in the long run. It just provides open space for another colony to move in. TNR helps if you or someone you know gets a feral cat colony or is having issues with feral cats in any way. It also helps the surrounding community and the people that live around a colony that are affected in some way by a feral cat colony. TNR programs work better than and are more efficient than using the trap and kill method, which is when people euthanize feral cats to decrease a colony population, because it seems like it will work faster and easier than TNR, but doesn't because of something called the vacuum effect. The purpose of a TNR program is not just to stabilize a feral cat population, but to decrease the number over time until eventually the colony dies out. This is accomplished by trapping and spaying or neutering the animals in the colony. The colony is then watched or taken care of by one or multiple people who will monitor the cats in the colony in cases of a new cat joining the colony that needs to go through the TNR program, and also monitor the health of the cats by spotting any abnormalities within the colony. Then the cats will eventually die out. People may not want to do TNR because household or inside cats can live around 17 years old, so people will think that it will take too long for a feral cat colony to die out, and they might want the colony gone as soon as possible. So then people will think it will take longer for the cat colony to die out. In actuality, an outdoor cat's lifespan is about 2 to 5 years, so it may not take long for a colony to die out naturally with a TNR program. Even though a cat's lifespan is shorter when they live outdoors, that does not mean their life has less quality compared to an indoor cat with a longer lifespan. In actuality, feral cats just live like any other wildlife. People think that because they have domestic ancestors, that if they don't live with humans, they live horrible lives and are suffering. And that is not true. Some people say that any cat is better off dead than living a natural outdoor lifestyle. People are also saying that because feral cats have a chance of getting hit by a car, that they should just be euthanized. But if you go by that, then most wildlife species should be euthanized, because they get hit by cars many times. There are also myths that feral cats are ill, diseased, and are suffering, but that is also not true. According to Feral Cat Project Linwood, Washington, when feral cats entered their TNR program, they euthanized cats for health issues, so that they don't release a sick cat back out with no vet care. Out of the 30,000 cats that go through their program, only 0.002% are euthanized for medical reasons. That's 2 cats out of 1,000. So a majority of feral cats are, in actuality, in good health. Catch and kill methods do not work. Even though this method seems like it will not only work, but work better, it does not. The reason it does not work is because of something called the vacuum effect. This is when an area with shelter, food, water, and other adequate living conditions are vacant because the previous animals that occupied that area have left, so other animals moved into the area and repopulated the area. According to Alley Cat Allies, not only does this not solve our feral cat problem, but can make it worse because when a trap and kill method is used, the next colony of cats have shown to be bigger in numbers. Also, according to Alley Cat Allies, the only time a trap and kill method worked to get rid of a population of cats was in an uninhabited sub-Antarctic marine island. Also, the method they used cannot be used in a human-populated area, like poisoning, hunting with guns, and introducing diseases into the colony. It is also better to use TNR for the safety of people because feral cats can carry diseases like rabies. without it affecting the cat itself. So if someone interacts with a feral cat and makes the cat defend itself, and the cat attacks someone, they might be in danger of getting what the cat is carrying. So if TNR is used, the colony will decrease and there will be little to no chance of an encounter like this, unlike trapping and killing, which will increase the feral cat population, making this a bigger risk for people. It can also have a negative outcome for the environment. Feral or outdoor cats are a huge risk for wildlife when they hunt animals like birds and rodents. Cats are responsible for the extinction of 33 species of animals, according to abcbirds.org. So if you use a trapping and killing method and the population grows because of the vacuum effect instead of decreasing with a TNR program, the problem will only get worse. In conclusion, trap, neuter, and return programs are in the long run better than the trap and kill method and should be used when dealing with a feral cat population. It improves the quality of life for the cats and their surrounding environment and is beneficial for both cats and humans around them. It helps with population control and the surrounding environment. Trap and kill methods are ineffective and just provides open space for more cats.